Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender XT for the iPhone Air. We're going to take a look and see how much bulk this adds to your thin new iPhone Air. But the Otterbox Defender XT, or the Defender in general, is one of my most popular videos when a new phone comes out, is installing these cases. This right here is the e-commerce packaging because I purchased this on Amazon. Really feels like we don't get much in the box nowadays. It just feels like the case, wobbling around in there. And that is indeed what we get. We get the case and nothing else. Once again, they are not including the holster. You do have to go to the Otterbox website and purchase that, or you redeem your code rather, which we should have right here. If I can get it out of this, it's really tucked down there in the case. Let me see if we have our code to redeem, and we do. And then this tells you at checkout, redeem the promo code for your free holster. Shipping and handling are free, but the last 2 times I've tried to redeem one of these codes, it only takes $5 off the $16 shipping and handling cost and doesn't give you a free holster. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. We'll try it again this year and see what happens. Last time it happened, I ended up just calling Otterbox, and they shipped me one out without even asking for the code. So hopefully they will do that again this year if we have issues with the code, but I'm not too sure why that keeps happening. Here is my iPhone Air right here. As you can see, we don't have any damage or scratching on the back yet, which is good because a lot of people are showing some damage and scratching on their model, and especially like the demos in the Apple Store. But we'll take the plastic off right here, and this is just the clear one. See, I don't think we have anything else on the back there, so I'll take off the actual rubber piece here. And now to get these on the Defender XT specifically, all you have to do is separate the inner piece right here. As you can see, there's a little plastic ring, and you'll go ahead and put that. I always put that on the phone first. It doesn't necessarily stay on there the best when you go to insert the phone, but it kind of just, as you can see, it kind of flops around. And then just snap the rubber pieces back on. And we've activated the camera with the camera control there. I think we started recording as well. Oh, no, we didn't. Okay, go away. There we go. So you just open the camera again. And really, you just have to keep going around and around and around until that plastic ring is snapped back under the plastic, or the rubber rather. And there we go. It is installed. Unlock the device. And there we go. It doesn't add too much bulk. Obviously, it's a little bigger. One thing I hate about clear cases is any dust and anything like that that you don't happen to get off the phone before you put the case on is now under the phone. That's why I prefer the Otterbox Defender that's just the full rubber. But I'll clean that off here in a minute. And we do have the actual camera control this year, so rather than just having the cutout, we actually have a legit camera control toggle right there, or piece. So that's very, very nice on the Defender. But that's the Otterbox Defender XT for the iPhone Air. And of course, like I said, you can get a free holster if you do want that. But really like this. Obviously, it's not as thin as the Air by itself. But if you want a thin phone with great protection, this is the case for you. And it's still going to be smaller or thinner than an Otterbox on a iPhone 17 Pro Max or regular sized phone. So very nice to see. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.